Hello YouTube, it is currently 4:45, sun is setting. I just took the train by myself, first time taking the train by myself. There's a 7-Eleven store over there, I'm not going in there. It's currently windy and about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, hence why I needed to layer up for this. I am on Lee Avenue, about to turn onto Stewart Avenue. Right now I have about a 70-minute walk ahead of me, and I'm just going to vlog notable parts of my walk home from the train, and let's honestly see if I can even make it back or not. This will be fun, and I'm going to splice and dice random clips from my excursion. Okay, I gotta sprint across this. This is Central Avenue, which meant that I just turned the wrong way and headed south for a sec. I was getting worried because I saw the sign of the Bethpage State Parkway, which I knew was east, and realized if you go left and south, you're going east. Then I realized I was kind of screwed. Right now, 4:50 p.m., so I've been walking south 5 minutes. This means I have to make up those 5 minutes going north, adding 10 minutes to the walk. My ETA went from being about 5:55 to being about 6:05 now. With this extremely unpleasant fact in mind, it is now even less likely I'm going to make it home because it's likely that it's going to be even darker. Those 10 minutes of sunlight that I just wasted, I have no way of getting back. I just went in the wrong direction, and that's going to be a costly mistake that is going to screw me over. I must now proceed to head north from Central Avenue, past the train station again, and then continue going up. If I didn't catch that so quickly by seeing that Bethpage State Parkway sign, I could have went all the way down towards Plain Edge and Farmingdale and have really been screwed. Thankfully, I caught it with enough time where, again, I could just turn around. But, in case you are rooting for me that I'm going to be able to get home, even I'm losing hope now because I just added 10 minutes to my walk. You might also see me beginning to run if I'm starting to get frantic. I've advanced to the level of the Bethpage Community Park and the Town of Oyster Bay Ice Rink. And on this side of me is the Bethpage High School. I am making steady progress as I am plowing up. It is currently 5:09 p.m. So it's been, 20 minutes since I made an update. I'm making good progress. My ETA's even moved up to 6 o'clock. I just have to see how it goes. Soon I'm going to be getting off Stewart Avenue. I can't go in because I don't have time. I really, shouldn't even be walking at 6 o'clock because you'll see how dark it's gonna get later on in the video. But, it's going good so far. My fingers are starting to get frostbitten, but that shouldn't be happening because it's still, about 35 degrees right now. It's very windy and the wind chills are probably in the 20s, but it is still above freezing. We're gonna see how conditions deteriorate throughout this video. This right ahead of you is Farmers Avenue. I must turn onto Farmers Avenue. This street will be the one that gets me home. This street, which becomes Groman's Lane, continues for over 1.5 miles towards Old Country Road. Once I am at that point, there's really only about 20 more minutes of walking to get to where I have to be. If I was driving, it would still actually take about 6 minutes because of all the stop signs and whatnot. If you want to practice driving, this isn't a bad spot. It's currently 5:17 p.m. The sun is going to be going down in about 25 minutes. Actually, probably even less than that, probably more like 20 minutes. And once the sun goes down, it's going to be brutally cold, as the one thing that's keeping me somewhat warm, especially now, is the sun, which right now is going to be beating towards my back. Once it goes down, though, there's going to be none of that, and it's going to become dramatically cooler. We are here, Haypath Road. Farmers Avenue will be becoming Groman's Lane. The Plainview-Bethpage border runs along the middle of that road and then up the middle of this road for, you know, the next little while, probably about half a mile. I can finally say I'm back in Plainview. You know, that's nice because being in Bethpage wasn't fun, and it means I'm just one step closer to getting home. Currently 5:28, and conditions are deteriorating. Probably has dropped to 34 degrees by now. So we'll see if I can make it home. This is kind of more like a do or die kind of thing now, as I'm so close yet so far at the same time. OMG, I finally made it to Old Country Road. The final stretch is coming. There's a gas station. I want to see if there's stuff inside because I actually am getting hungry now. Hungry and freezing, but I'm almost there. Currently 5:42 p.m. Look at how the sun is beginning to set. Because you even see it's like dark on that side. On that side, it's still light. That just means that we're running out of time. But we're coming so much closer to my destination. I think I'm going to be successful. I have made the regretful decision to quit. I am right now at the Sylvia Lane. If I were to go up this and then turn left, I would be home in 15 minutes. Nevertheless, the cold and the darkness have got to me, even though I was so close to victory. I really thought I was going to make it, but my failure to cross over really shivered me. And there's nothing I could do. I'm just going to wait inside the McDonald's, because if I had to wait outside, there's pretty much no point in me even waiting at this point. Because, you know, I'm almost home. It's 5:47, so I did make it nearly an hour. But as temperatures just continue to drop throughout the 30s, there's just really like no point in me doing this anymore.